Hi, in this video we will see what is sine function in Tableau. So the SIGN, which is sine, this function will return the three possible values. So there are three types of values. One is 1, -1 and 0. So these are three numeric values this function return according to the input that we will use. So for the positive value, it will return the 1 integer number, and for the null value or the 0, it return 0 integer, and for the negative value, it will return -1. So for in order to use this function, first we will create one calculation field. Here we will write the function. So here we can see the sine function takes only one input as a number, or we can also take the any expression or any numeric measure. So in the data set, we are having discount, profit, quantity, sales, these types of measure that we can use inside this function. And also on the right side, we can see about this about the function. So this function says the sine function return the sign of a number. So one, it will return 1 if the number is positive, and it will return 0 if the number is 0, or and it will return -1 if the number is negative. So for example, if I write the value as a minus of 456, after that click on apply and OK. So what you have to do, take this sign field and drop it onto the text. So after that, we can see here it is showing the negative of 9994. So to make it accurate, we have to select the average function instead of sum. After selecting the average, we can see here it is showing the negative of 1, which is showing the value for the negative numbers. So if I go to my function again, click on edit. So instead of this particular number, I will use a particular field. So for example, let's take the profit. So I'll take the profit, click on apply and OK. So I'll remove this field from there, and now what I'll just do, I'll take the subcategory field. So here is subcategory, and I'll drop it onto the row. Now what I'll just do, I'll take this sign field again and I'll drop it onto my chart, onto my table. So after that, click on this drop down and go to measures and select average. So now we can see this is showing the values that we are getting. This is so this is the negative of minus 0.279, so which is showing the negative profit. uh, if I take the profit and drop it here, so now we can see here we will get the values for all the profit. So here is the average of sign, which is showing the 1 value, 0 value, 1 0. So this is how we can use this sign function in Tableau. And thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.